this? This has got a state. Has this got a state? But do you have a flag? Okay, we don't have a WM state. Which is interesting. Or a window role. Okay, yeah, we have an icon, whatever. Do we have a window type on the other ones? NetWM window type? Okay, so this one has protocols as well. Maybe I should be looking for NetWM name. Or just net properties in general. What is this though? Is it the ... character? No, it's not. It's something. NetWM name. Does this have a NetWM name? Which is the actual Firefox? I've lost track. Is it this one? It's this one. So this does have a NetWM name, but it doesn't have a WM state. It is Dungeons and Dragons aware though, in case you were worried about that. So we got WM state, NetWM desktop. I think that's from my window manager though. I don't think that's... We have a NetWM state as well. I think that's possibly from my window manager. See, the thing is, I don't know which of these are interesting and which of these are noise. Let's take a look at this one. So here we have a state. No, not a WM. Oh, we do have a WM state. And we have a... Oh no, that's just class. That's fine. That's fine. Possibly, I wonder if this is significant. Let's see if we can find out. WM state X11. Okay, this doesn't look like what I want. Well, this is the window manager. Why does this not have a WM state? Did I just miss it? No, I don't think it does. That's interesting. The window manager will place a WM state property on each top level window that is not in the withdrawn state. Top level client window. I'm not quite sure what that means. I'm tempted to ignore anything that doesn't have WM state because it's clear that these Firefox sub windows don't have them, but that might just be because they're not top level. I'm worried about other window managers placing a WM state on them anyway. I wonder if I should get rid of the children thing. Where is it? Up here. Because this is fine for the root window, because the root window you should know all the ones underneath. But other than the root window, I don't think you should be querying. So what does Firefox have? Is it withdrawn? I didn't really pay attention. Is it that one? Yeah, it's that one. It's currently in the iconic state. That is quite iconic. Neither the client's top level window nor its icon are visible. I don't think something being unmapped mean... Oh, that's actually a good question. If something is unmapped, can I ignore it? Because somewhere in this mess of code... this is audio stuff. Process X events. Here we go. So if I have a map notify... No, I don't try to know Windows. It's only if there's a create... I might have to look for the WM hints. No, the WM state. That might be the best way of doing it. It must either be the child of a root window or it must have been the child of a root window immediately prior to having been reparented by the window manager. Yeah, it looks like... What is this spec? The ICCCM? Right. It looks like this one doesn't acknowledge infinitely nested windows. The thing is, I don't think... Newly created windows start in the withdrawn state. Transition between states happen when a top level window is mapped and unmapped. I can see how my window manager behaves, but I don't think this generalizes to other window managers. I don't need to... Whatever. I was gonna say I don't need to do this every time, but it doesn't really matter. And so the property that I'm first interested in is WM state. And if this equals 0, then we're done. And then the second property that I'm interested in is WM WM something. Name. Now these are not actually strings. They're WM state types, which is kind of dumb. Because I need to batch another fucking atom for them. Actually, do I? Can I just go WM state? Like, is that legal? Is that allowed? Am I going to be arrested? Yeah, because, like, morally, this feels like what I want, right? I can clearly see that didn't work, though. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Why didn't that work? Can I see it here? I can't see it here. That's fascinating. Why not? Is that not a create event? Is it because it starts in the unmapped? I'm confused. I'm confused. Yeah, it's normal now. So if I, let's close that. If I get rid of this, if I do that. Whoop, shit. And then I create another window. Now it's visible. Okay, so originally they start without a WM state, which is fantastic. That's exactly what you want to see. What am I going to do about this? The thing is, I could do this. Would that work? I have no idea. Okay, well, we didn't crash. We still don't see this, unfortunately. Even though it does have... Fuck. Okay. It does have a WM state. This should indicate that we're not tracking it. But when do we get, where are the state transitions? So if we go from withdrawn to normal, the client should map the window with WM hints.